Today we are doing the use of it and there, how it is used in the sentences as a subject. Now let's get started. Clear? Amar had brought the dog home, was whimpering. Here what is missing? The second sentence was whimpering seems incomplete. In the sentence, Amar or dog. See below, when we write the subject, the meaning becomes clear. It means that if subject is missing, even we don't know who is we are talking to and who is the speaker. Now, how it become while rewriting the sentence? Amar had brought the dog home. Whenever we do not mention whom we are talking about, sentences, the meaning become incomplete. Clear? So sentence must start with it and there. So in this sentence, while we are delivering the sentences, it must be mentioned there who is whimpering, Amar or dog. It's clear because we have used it in the second sentence. It become clearer that dog is whimpering. Clear? Now come to the next phase. We also use it and there as an introductory word when there is no subject in a sentence, as it is clear from the definitions that we can use it for the introduction. For example, it is 7 o'clock. Clear? And it's raining. We are introducing the word and the meaning and the sentences also. It is sparkling. There is no way. There is no cleanliness. Isn't it? Now come to the uses of it as a pronoun. Now as a pronoun, it is a third person singular neuter pronoun, as we have done already in our previous chapters, previous session. It can be used for either a subject or an object in a sentence. Clear? Its personal, possessive and reflexive form is given below. Pronoun forms: third person neutral pronoun, and the brief meaning and examples. Through this chart, you will be able to understand how we are using it as a possessive case, personal, objective case, and subjective case, possessive and reflexive, with their brief meaning and their translation also. Now personal subject, it, and when we are going to use it as a subject, clear, acts as the subject of the verb. For example, it is barking. It here is used as a subject. Now second one, see, personal object. Clear? As the object, how we can use it. Clear? Now you can understand the Hindi meaning with that. When the pronoun acts as the object of the verb. For example, he picked it up. Here you can find that what and who picked, it's clear. Possessive case, it's refer to something being owned by the speaker, as it is clear to all. When we mention any of the possessive, it means somebody belonging to something. For example, this color is its. Clear? And next, reflexive. Reflexive means by adding self, itself. Refers back to the subject of the sentence in the same sentences. Now it also is used for the subject case. For example, it is whimpering because it hurt itself. Clear? You can see how can we translate with next to the Hindi meaning. Now what is the difference between its and its, with apostrophe and without apostrophe? So don't be confused while using its and its with apostrophe and without apostrophe. See, with the apostrophe, how it is used. Its is the contraction form, short form of it is. If we are using apostrophe with its, It means it is the construction of it is and it has. It is used when you are about to describe something. Clear? And when to use its without apostrophe. Its is a possessive form of the pronoun cats and boys. You can see here example. Here apostrophe is used to make the possessive form of the words, but apostrophe s is not used with it to make possessive form. Do you know why it is not used with the third person singular for inanimate thing? Because while making the possessive case of the inanimate things, we do not make apostrophe, just we write without s to make its possessive case. You can see the example. It's with the apostrophe. It is whimpering as it has hurt itself. And without apostrophe, you cannot guess its color. Similarly, second one with the apostrophe s. It's whimpering as it has hurt itself. Clear? And next is apostrophe s. It has been raining since morning. And without apostrophe s, I really like the color of your dog. Its eyes are also very beautiful. Now, you would be very clear about the use of its and its. Apostrophe s and without apostrophe s. We can use it for date, time and weather. For example, you can see column A and column B. 6 o'clock. It is right? No, it is 6 o'clock. 19th September? No, it is 19th September. Cold today? The right must be it is cold today. Tuesday tomorrow? It is Tuesday tomorrow. In this way we can write it. You can see more example. It is the 3:45 by my watch. Is it your birthday? It was November 11. It is raining. It is blowing cold. It drizzles daily in London. It is leaking. It was a dark night. Is it not fine today? It's so hot and sweaty today. It happened on 21st January. It will subside by the Wednesday evening. Clear? Next, it refers to talk about. It is used to speak for ourselves as well as other people in various situations where we either cannot see them or are pointing to them. To understand, when people use it to refer to people. Now see the next example. On the telephone. Hello, who is it calling? Hello, it's me, Sunita. Is it you, Sunita? Now it is used when people cannot see us. For example, it's me standing under the window. Look up, it's me here. It's me, Prashant, at the door. Please open. It's me, your neighbor. Clear? And when we point at people and talk about them, for example, it's the principal over there. Let's go. Do you think it's his fiancée over there? Now, it is also used to refer to a non-gender. When we have no knowledge about gender, we use it. We also use it to refer to a human infant when the gender of the infant is not known. God has blessed him with a baby. It is he or she, like that. Understand? Now see, when the baby is unborn and gender is unknown, we ask, when will it be born? Second one, to ask about the gender of the baby, we say, is it a boy or a girl? Okay. Similarly, it refers to animals, lifeless things also. We use it to refer to animals, birds, ants, insects, etc. We also use it to refer to both visible, invisible, lifeless things like books, trees, stone, statue, mood, thoughts, etc. For example, it is a cat. It is my book. Is it a mango tree? It will take her 3-4 days to read. Its bite can lead to various diseases. It was a stone. It injured that boy. Papa rebuked me. It spoiled my mood. Here it is used for rebuke, not for Papa. So pay attention whenever you are using it. Now it refers to noun that has come before. Example, it is used to refer to a noun that has already been used once in a sentence or being repeated in a paragraph. We use it to avoid such repetitions and to make the sentence more simple and compact. For example, coconut oil is good for hair. It is available with us. Here it is used to avoid repetitions of the word coconut oil. For example, next you can see Statue of Liberty is located on Liberty Island. Its height is 46 meters. Its here is used for Statue of Liberty. It was erected in 1870. Here it is used for Liberty, Statue of Liberty every time after in the sentences. Clear? Second, the sun has risen. It gives light to everybody. The moon inspires to be calm. It is a symbol of love also. So the moon is a symbol of love also. It is repeated with it pronoun, personal pronoun. This book is very interesting. It is very costly. So this book is replaced with it. Similarly, third, fourth and fifth is written with the same way. Now it refers to clause which has come before. Now it also refers to the clause. It is also replaced with the clause which has already come in the sentences. For example, it is also used to refer to a clause. Also it refers to a clause in a sentence. For example, I have promised him and he is aware of it. So it is replaced. It is used for the clause used in the previous sentence, separated with comma. I have promised him. Here what he has promised is replaced with it. Clear? Second, he had shown his face. And what he has shown? His face. So it is replaced with it. It was his planned action. Which action? To show his face. Secondly, he has been visiting me daily for the last month. It is because he wants his transfer. So the clause used here, he has been visiting me. Next, Rajan has sacrificed his life for Sumita. Clear? Here it is not known to Harbhajan. Now see the clause and how it is replaced with that it. Manjula had completed whole work. We are talking about the first clause. It was in my knowledge. What a beautiful sparrow it is. We are talking about the clause beautiful sparrows. Now it refers to a phrase or clause coming after. It is also used for the clause or phrase coming thereafter. For example, it is possible that he may come. Clear? It is used to refer he may come. Second, it wasn't easy to anticipate his plans. Anticipate his plans. It is the phrase. It is sad to know about his accident. It is worth to go there and see the show. It will take half an hour to reach there. It was interesting to meet your brother at last. It is awful driving in peak hours. It is an excellent experience to watch a 4D film in London. Clear? Now, to emphasize noun or pronoun, we use it also. How? It was I who told you about his result. It is you who has asked me to keep quiet. It is the place where we had met for the first time. It is he who had donated his blood to you. Similarly, you can watch the following different sentences using it to emphasize noun or pronoun. Okay. Second, it is used in distance terms and tag type question tags and distant terms. For example, it will take 5 hours to reach Jaipur. It's 650 kilometers from Delhi. It's going to be challenging to cover the distance in 3 hours. The chances of rain are high, is it not? The coaching class has been postponed. Has it been? Similarly, question tag is there. Clear? Now come to the next phase, that is the uses of there. Usually, there literally means that place or that location. We also use it and there as an introductory word when there is no subject in a sentence. It's clear to us. We also use the word there as an introductory word similarly to it. Like it, there is also used in different situations. There is there as a pronoun. So dear students and friends, pay attention to there, how we are using there as a pronoun. Clear? We use there as a pronoun to talk about nouns or phrase or things that can be seen. Clear? Things can be both countable and uncountable. For example, there are too many pictures on this wall. Here there is in this sentence is doing the action of the pronoun and is talking about the noun pictures. Similarly, second one, there were only 50 students in the cinema hall. There are too many people in this elevator. There will be a computer for each student. There was a lot of rain in the morning. There are 100 types of flowers in the garden. Such types of the sentences make its meaning clear, where we are using there as a pronoun. Similarly, next, there is a Kalpa Vriksha in Jaipur. There are several temples in London. There isn't a doctor in the entire train to look at her. There's only one flat which has electricity. There must be a minimum of 20 guards at night in society. Clear? Similarly, you can make of your own by using there as a pronoun. Now, there as an adverb. There as an adverb is used to point out where the thing is. In that place, to that location, at that place, or somewhere away from you. It is the opposite of here. For example, may I sit there please? The balloons for the party are there. From now, let's not dump the medical waste over there. My children want to join karate classes there. You can see there can also be used in place of helping verb has, have, had, which denote possession. Pay attention. Only if it shows possession we can replace it with there. See the example below. Ananya has 2 gold chains. There are 2 gold chains with Ananya. Both of the above sentence have the same meaning. Clear? So how it is replaced? So pay attention the words. For example, here you can see both are correct. A week has 7 days. It is correct. There are 7 days in a week. I have 2 cars. There are 2 cars with me. Vartika has one tricycle. There is one tricycle with Vartika. Clear? There have many numbers of toys. There are many toys with them. Similarly, you can make of your own by using the same pattern method. Other uses of there. How we can use there with other uses except these which we have discussed. There is not much food left after the ceremony. Is there? There is a sample question paper, isn't there? We must rest here and not there. There are some people in the office. There is some milk in the fridge. There is some change with me. There is no money in my purse. Similarly, you can think and make the sentence with other uses. Clear, beta? So, dear students and friends, if you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And we will meet very soon with the next video. Till then, take care yourself. Have a nice day.